Describe Young's experiment for observing interference and hence arrive at the expression for fringe width. వ్యతికరణాన్ని పరిశీలించడానికి యంగ ప్రయోగాన్ని వర్ణించండి. దీని నుంచి పట్టి వెడల్పు సమీకరణాన్ని రాబట్టండి. Describe Young's experiment for observing interference and hence arrive at the expression for fringe width. Okay. Here S is the monochromatic source of light. S1 and S2 are two slits separated by effective space distance d. And XY is the screen placed at a distance capital D from slits. Once again, S is the monochromatic source of light. S1 and S2 are two slits separated by effective space distance small d. XY is the screen placed at a distance capital D from two slits. Okay. O is the center of the slit. O is the center of the screen. Okay. OP is equal to, here OP is equal to X, OM is equal to D by 2, ON is equal to D by 3. Okay. First of all, monochromatic light coming from slit S is incident on the two slits S1 and S2. According to Huygens principle, the two slits acts as secondary sources. It emits secondary wavelets. These wavelets interfere, that means superimpose at P on the screen. That's why interference pattern is formed on the screen, placed at a distance capital D from slits. Now from triangle, D is the distance between two slits. Here S1m and S2n is equal to capital D. All are parallel lines. That's why S2n, S1m is also D. From triangle S2pn, S2p whole square is equal to S2n whole square plus NP whole square. That is equal to S2n means capital D whole square plus NP square means NO plus OP. NO plus OP whole square. NP square is equal to NO plus OP whole square. That equal to D square plus NO means D by 2. NO or ON. D by 2 plus OP means X whole square. That equal to D square plus A plus B whole square formula. A square into D square by 4 plus B square means X square plus 2 into 2AB, 2 into D by 2 into X. 2 cancel. This is equation number 1. Once again, Young's experiment consists of two pinholes or two slits S1 and S2 separated by a small distance D on an effective sheet or plate. Young's experiment consists of two slits S1 and S2 separated by a small effective space distance D. Next one, when these slits are illuminated by monochromatic light coming from a single slit S. These two slits are illuminated by a monochromatic light coming from slit S. The slit S. These two slits are acts as coherent sources. Okay, P is the interference region on the screen. These two rays coming from S1 and S2 are interfere at P. That's why interference pattern is formed on the screen. Same, S2P whole square is equal to S2N square plus NP whole square. S2N means D whole square plus NP means ON or NO plus OP whole square. That means D square plus NO means D by 2 plus OP means X whole square. Expand we get D square plus capital D square plus small d square by 4 plus X square plus 2 into D by 2 into X. This is the equation number 1. From triangle S1MP, S1PM, S1P whole square is equal to S1P whole square is equal to S1M whole square plus MP whole square. That equal to S1M means capital D whole square plus MP means OP. MP means OP minus OE whole square. That equal to D square plus OP means X minus OM means D by 2. OM is equal to D by 2 whole square. That equal to D square plus X square plus D square by 4 minus 2 into X into D by 2. 2 cancel. This is equation number 2. S2P whole square minus S1P whole square is equal to, that means 1 minus 2 implies, that means S2P whole square minus S1P whole square is equal to capital D square plus X square plus D square by 4 plus XD. This is equation number 1. D square plus X square plus D square by 4 plus XD minus equation number 2 means minus of D square plus X square, D square plus X square plus D square by 4 minus XD. That equal to D square cancel, X square cancel, plus D square by 4 minus D square by 4 cancel, and XD minus into minus plus XD. That equal to 2XD. S2P A square minus B square means S2P minus S1P into S2P plus S1P plus S1P. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Here D square minus D square cancel, X square minus X square cancel, plus D square by 4 minus D square by 4 cancel. Here plus XD minus into minus plus XD. This means 2XD. S2P minus S1P is equal to 2XD by S2P plus S1P. That equal to S2P minus S1P is equal to S2P minus S1P means S2P minus S1 means path difference. S2P minus S1P means path difference. Path difference between బిట్వీన్ టూ రేస్, రెండు కిరణాల మధ్య ఉన్న పదభేదము ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2xd by S2p. S2p means capital D plus S1p means capital D. S2p is equal to S1p is equal to D. Take S2p is equal to S1p is equal to D. That equal to 2xd by D plus D 2D. 2 cancel. That equal to xd by capital D. This is equation number 3. Path difference between two rays is equal to, that means S2p minus S1p is equal to xd by capital D. This is equation number 3. S2p minus S1p is equal to small x into small d by capital D. Condition for maximum intensity. Condition for maximum intensity. Or condition for constructive interference. సంపోషక వ్యతికరణానికి గల షరతు నిబంధన. సంపోషక వ్యతికరణానికి గల నిబంధన. సంపోషక వ్యతికరణానికి గల నిబంధన. Therefore, path difference is equal to path difference S2p minus S1p is equal to N lambda. Path difference for constructive interference. Field lengths. We know that path difference for constructive interference. సంపోషక వ్యతికరణానికి గల షరతు లేదా నిబంధన S2p minus S1p is equal to N lambda. Already discussed about constructive interference. S2p minus S1p is equal to N lambda. This is equation number 4. Comparing 3 and 4. 3 and 4. మూడు నాలుగు సమీకరణాలను పోవచ్చుగా S2p minus S1p, S2p minus S1p. That's why xd by capital D is equal to N lambda. X into small d by capital D is equal to N lambda. X is equal to N lambda into capital D by small d. Or we write x suffix n. Xn is equal to N lambda into capital D by small d. Where n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Substitute x is equal to n is equal to 0, n is equal to 0, xn is equal to 0. Xn is equal to 0. That's why center maximum bright fringe is formed at O. If n is equal to 0, if n is equal to 0, xn is equal to 0. This indicates O is bright. And the bright fringe is formed at O. వెలుగు బట్టి O వద్ద ఏర్పడతాన్ని తెలియజేస్తుంది. Similarly, xn means nth bright fringe formed at x distance. xn means nth bright fringe formed at xn distance. Therefore, xn is equal to n lambda d by small d. Similarly, xn plus 1, n plus 1 fringe formed at n plus 1 into lambda d by small d distance. xn means, suppose nth fringe formed at p. Nth fringe formed at p. 10th fringe formed at another place. xn plus 1 means 10th fringe, distance from O to 10th fringe. xn means distance from O to nth fringe. n plus 1 means distance from O to n plus 1 fringe. This is equation number 5. This is 6. xn means distance from O to nth bright fringe. xn plus 1 means distance from O to n plus 1th bright fringe. ఎన్నో పట్టికకు ఎన్నో వెలుగు పట్టిక దూరము, n plus 1వ వెలుగు పట్టిక గల దూరము. Minus 5 implies n plus 1. That means xn plus 1 minus xn is equal to xn plus 1 minus xn is equal to n plus 1 into lambda d by small d minus lambda d by small d. This is n lambda d by small d. N lambda d by small d. This is equation number 6. This is equation number 5. N plus 1 into lambda d by small d minus n lambda d by small d. That equal to lambda d by small d. N lambda d by d minus n lambda d by d cancel. N into lambda d by small d minus n into lambda d by d is cancel. That means remaining part is lambda d by small d. xn plus 1 minus xn means fringe width. This means fringe width. Patti value. Fringe. This is our answer. Fringe width beta, denoted by letter beta, is equal to fringe width beta is equal to xn plus 1 minus xn is equal to lambda equal to t. This is equation number 7. This is equation number 7. We want fringe width. దీని నుంచి పట్టి వెడల్పు సమీకరణం రాబట్టింది. And hence arrive at the expression for fringe width. Fringe width beta is equal to lambda d by small d. Fringe width means external plus suppose bright center fringe, bright, dark, bright, dark, bright. Like this. White means bright fringe. This is O. bright fringe. Blue color is dark. Suppose xn plus 1 means xn plus 1 means this is xn plus 1 means 1. This is bright, dark, bright, dark, bright, dark, bright, dark, bright. Bright, xn plus 1 bright means 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. xn plus 1 means 4. Minus xn means 3. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Distance from O to fourth fringe minus distance from third fringe is equal to dark fringe width. This is fringe width. Distance from O to fourth fringe minus distance from O to third fringe is equal to fringe width. Is equal to fringe width. Patti vedalu xn plus 1 minus xn is equal to lambda divided by d, where lambda is the wavelength of light used. Wavelength of light used. Capital D means distance from two slits to screen. Small d is equal to distance between two slits. Distance between two slits, two coherent sources. Small d. Capital D means slits to distance between slits to screen. Okay, lambda means wavelength of monochromatic light used. Wavelength of monochromatic light used. This is the answer. Destructive interference. వ్యతికరణానికి పాత డిఫరెన్స్ పదభేదం. Case 2 for destructive interference. ప్రతిధ్వనించే వ్యతికరణానికి పాత డిఫరెన్స్ S2p minus S1p is equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2. This is condition for destructive interference. విధ్వంసక వ్యతికరణానికి నిబంధన ఆల్రెడీ డిస్కస్డ్ ఇన్ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్. S2p minus S1p పాత్ డిఫరెన్స్ పదభేదము plus 1 into lambda by 2. 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2. This is equation number 8. Comparing, we get already S2p minus S1p is equal to S2p minus XT by capital D. Comparing above equation, we know that S2p minus S1p is equal to X into small d by capital D. X into small d by capital D. Okay. Comparing, we get X into small d by capital D is equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda. If P is dark, path difference is equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2. Must be 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2. Already solved. S2 minus S1p is equal to xt by capital D. Comparing, we get x into small d by capital D is equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda into capital D by 2d. Cross multiplying, we get x is equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda into capital D by 2 into small d. X is equal to, in general, this is also xn. X or xn. Xn means distance from O to nth dark fringe. Distance from O to nth dark fringe. Therefore, xn plus 1 is equal to, therefore n plus 1 is equal to distance from O to n plus 1th డార్క్ ఫ్రింజ్ O నుంచి n plus 1 అవ చీకటి పట్టి గల దూరము is equal to same 2 into here n plus 1 plus 1 into lambda d by 2d. Lambda d by 2d. This is equation number 9. This is 10. 10 minus 9 means fringe width. Fringe width beta is equal to xn plus 1 minus xn, that equal to 2 into n plus 1 plus 1 into lambda d by 2d minus xn means 2n plus 1 into lambda d by 2d, that equal to multiply you get 2n plus 2 plus 1 into 2n plus 2 plus 1 into lambda d by 2d is minus 2n plus 1 into lambda d by 2d, that equal to 2n plus 3 into lambda d by 2d minus 2n plus 1 into lambda d by 2d, that is equal to lambda d by d. Simplifying we get lambda d by d. That means 2n into lambda d by 2d minus 2n into lambda by 2d cancel. 2n into lambda by 2d minus 2n into 2 lambda by 2d cancel. Means 3 lambda d by 2d minus lambda d by 2d, that is equal to 2 lambda d by 2d. It is equal to lambda d by d. Our answer is equal to lambda d by d. Our answer is equal to fringe width beta is equal to lambda d by d. This is our equation number 10. Equation 7 and 10 is equal. Okay. For destructive interference, fringe width is equal to lambda d by d. From right fringe, fringe width beta is equal to lambda d by d. Okay. For constructive interference, we solve, we get beta is equal to lambda d by d. For destructive interference, gives beta is equal to lambda d by d. Fringe width beta is equal to. You write any one case.